All right, look, what are we looking at here? This is the arrival condition of a 2020 F-150. I mean, it's brand new, basically. It's barely a full year old. It was built in February of 2020. And this client, not sure what she uses her truck for, but it's obviously being used as a truck. So what is she getting done? All those scratches and all this stuff. I don't know if she's in the woods, goes hunting, or does anything with this truck off-road, but it's clearly got signs of it, and we're going to correct it. After we correct it, we're going to put Ceramic Pro on it. And the correction, what kind of correction we're doing? Clear coat correction, not paint correction, because clear coat is on top of the paint, and these scratches are in the clear coat, not the paint. So after we get her clear coat corrected, we're going to put Ceramic Pro on. What is Ceramic Pro? It is a two-part system. This two-part system is a titanium dioxide base coat called 9H. It gives you your hardness. It's the highest on the graphene scale on scratch resistance. So, I mean, hey, she's got some added scratch resistance. She's going to have less of these bad boys on this truck. Then the second part of the system is a silicon dioxide-based formula called Ceramic Pro Top Coat. Don't get that confused with F11 Top Coat, those spray sealants and the little 1-hour install crap. Stay away from that stuff. Ceramic Pro is real. It takes 2 full days to install Ceramic Pro. I mean, it's at least 10 hours of just 9H installation. You know, application after application, but you gotta wait so many minutes to hours depending on humidity and temperature. Then you put the next application on. Then you gotta wait 8 to 12 hours before you can put top coat on, because the 9H needs to bond to itself, and then the top coat can go on. And then I hold on to the vehicle for a full day before giving it back to the client. So the initial cure and bond is done, and it's safe to rain on. Now look, she's getting Ceramic Pro. Is it a bulletproof shield? No. But will it look better after a year than it does now, how she's bringing it in? Hell yeah. Clients since 2013 have enjoyed my coatings. And the ones since 2016 when I picked up Ceramic Pro have loved it. Tout sweet, the best, #1 top-notch, top-tier ceramic coating, professionally installed. So, I mean, do some research. Know what you're getting. I show you the annual inspections year after year after year after year after year. Got a vehicle with it for almost 5 years, 4.5 years. I mean, geesh, the coating is doing its job. Will her truck look like this next year? We'll find out. But nonetheless, having a real professional ceramic coating is worth it. Do they have some that are cheaper? Yes, there are. Will they last as long? You be the judge of that, because I'm showing you my results. Anybody else doing that?